welcome to another vlog! So we just got here at Gibraltar, Great Britain, and today we're gonna go to the Pillars of Hercules. We're gonna see some apes today. Excited ako makita sila actually. And we're also gonna go to the St. Michael's Cave. So today, 4 tourist spots yung pupuntahan namin. So nag-group tour kami kasi mas mura to. So it's 35 euros per head for 4 tourist spots. And with entrance fee na yan lahat. Ito. So this is our van. Ayan, dyan kami sa taas pupunta guys. So nandito kami sa first stop, the Pillars of Hercules. Ayan. Okay, so it says here, to the ancient world, Gibraltar was known as Mons Calpe, one of the legendary pillars created by Hercules. Next stop is St. Michael's Cave, and wait lang besh, ginugel ko to. Okay, so St. Michael's Cave is a name given to a network of limestone caves located within the Upper Rock Nature Reserve in the British Overseas Territory of Gibraltar at a height of over 300 meters above sea level. So the monkeys are up already and naglalakad lang sila dito sa streets. We're here, St. Michael's Cave. So we're gonna go inside. Hindi ako sanay. Usually yung mga cave sobrang dilim. Ooh, so nice. Picture kami ni mommy dito. Yan. Ito yung background namin. Diba usually mahirap daanan yung mga caves. Pero ito inaayos talaga nila for the tourists. Check natin kung anong meron dito. Some of the most familiar information found in St. Michael's Cave. So we have stalactite, of course. Next is drapes, stalacto, stalagmite, straws, stalactites, broken column, and pool. We finally found a spot sa cave na hindi nag-change yung lighting. As in, white light lang. Maganda yung lighting sa area na to. So dito kami nag-picture. Maganda yung mag-picture dito. And dun din. Ayan. Oof. Dito kami sa area na to, guys. Do it for the gram. Pa-exit na kami. And then, I think next stop is apes and views. So, pumuntahan namin yung part na maraming mga monkeys. Yung kapatid ni Kevin. Nasa labas na kami and may monkey ako nakita. Ang cute! Hi! Dapat hindi niyo sila bibigyan ng food pala, by the way. Oh my gosh, ang dami! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Huwag kayo magdala ng food kasi kukunin nila. Baka, you know, baka sabunutan kayo ng monkey. Ayan, third stop na kami and we're just gonna see some apes and views. Ayan. Oh, mainit daw. Ayan. Meron po dito. Hala, ang liit niya. Ang cute.
I'm just gonna back up so he can go.
Ang cute. So, hindi sila pwedeng bigyan ng food. Hindi din sila pwede hawakan. And sabi ng tour guide, they're vaccinated for rabies. So, yeah, it's safe. Peanuts lang yung pwede pakain sa kanila. Although they love chocolates, pero it's not good for them. Ang cute. Kinukunan niya ng kuto. Gavin, pakuha ka ng kuto. Huy! Natakot ako lapitan sila. Ayan, si Kevin, oh, hindi na natakot. Ayan, kapatid niya kasi yan. Lalo, si Kevin! Oo, hindi siya takot sa kapatid niya. Be careful lang guys kasi baka hablutin nila yung bag niyo, yung shades niyo. Especially if may food kayo. Ayan no, scary, parang lolo. Excuse me, is that the leader or something?
The leaders, yes.
Ah.
Because it's very old now.
Oh.
Very old. So there's another leader. That's one there.
Oh, that's the new leader.
One leader there.
That's the old leader.
Yeah. Let me get in here. Just dropping on the floor. Dropping on the floor. Just drop it. Just drop it. Right, how about
Ang bilis siya kumain no? ng apple. May magandang view daw dito. Oh. We're done taking photos. Ang ganda ng view dito. Yan. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, fourth stop is the Great Sage Tunnels. I can take photos here muna before going in. Ay, the view is so nice. Parang lamig lang. Yan sila, mommy. Nag-photoshoot na sila. Gallery, and this was the first gallery constructed by the Sergeant Major 1782 and completed May 11, 1783. Dito na mind your head. I can't relate. Hindi ko naman sila abot. Ay, abot pala. Hindi sila abot ng head ko. Hala! Hala siya! Uy! Hala, scary. Oh my god, scary. Alright, so we're back outside. It's so cold. Papa-picture naman siya. So, okay. Wait lang. So, yan yung castle nila, guys. Yung oldest building daw dito. It's 900 something years. We're finally here at the city center. Ayan. Sobrang liit lang ng Gibraltar, guys. So, people in here are bilingual. Spanglish sila. So, combination of Spanish and English. Yung first language nila is English and second dialect is Spanish. Medyo maaga pa. It's actually 10 a.m. We're gonna have lunch in a while and then we're gonna visit some stores. Mag-iikot-ikot kami dito.
Okay guys, so remember we got the changing of the card is only here. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Then all this way back to the ship.
Parang maganda mag-picture dito sa center. Yan sila dahil pumasok sila dyan sa La Boutique. It's Balman. Nag-inquire sila. Wow! Ang ganda ng salon na to. Look at that. So fancy. Shocks. Ang sarap mag-coffee. Perfect for the weather. So, hinahanap lang yung brother ko kasi parang nasa, anong store ba yun? O, ito. Gadget Station is here for the AirPods.
Hello, good morning.
Hello. Ayan.
This is the latest updates, you know, the latest version.
So, I bought this Jump Force anime game daw siya to PS4. Mahilig si Jade sa anime, so binili ko na lang siya. So, we're gonna have coffee here. And sa Pasta Coffee. Hi, Moch! Yan, ang sarap! Strawberry cheesecake. Sarap ng Spanish ham. This is my food. Egg, bacon, and cheese. So good. Okay, so we're done dito sa coffee shop. And now, pupuntahan ko si Mommy. Nasa top shop siya. Yeah, iniwan niya kami dito sa coffee shop. Kasi gusto niya daw mag-shopping. Nagpaiwan ako sa coffee shop kasi sobrang sakit ng hyperacidity ko. Like, sobrang sakit. I don't know why. Hindi ako nag-coffee kaninang morning. So, I don't know why kung bakit sobrang sakit niya ngayon. So, iniwan namin si Daddy dyan sa camera shop kasi may nakita siyang parang katulad sa G7X ko na much better. Yung brand niya is Olympus. Tinitingnan niya yung mga features. Check pa ni Daddy kung bibilhin niya or not. So, yeah. I'm with Kevin. Pupuntahan namin si Mamuch. So, yung Gibraltar, walang factories whatsoever dito. They only have social banking, financial services, shipping, and tourism. Hi, doggy! Nag-inquire ko sa mga perfumes nila. It's really, really cheap here. And I'm so tempted to buy one. Pero, ang dami ko na kasing perfume. So, diba, sayang lang. We're here sa Topshop. Ayan. Nagbabayad lang si Mamoch. Bumili ako ng super sexy na dress and then pants. Guys, may nakita akong super gandang blazer dito. So classy. Look at that! Para siyang Chanel. Pero besh, ang mahal. 5,000 siya. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito siya! It's so classy! I want it. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Ang mahal niya. 5,000. Nakakaloka. Hindi ko kaya yan. I'm so happy! So, kami na lang dalawa ni Mommy kasi nag-separate kami nila Daddy. Nandun pa sila sa shoe store. And kami ni Mommy, pabalik na kami sa ship. Pero before that, matitingin muna kami dito. Hanap kami ng food. We're inside Dorothy Perkins kasi naka-sale sila. Sana mura lang. Pasok kami dito sa CAUSEMETICS. Sana pwede mag-vlog dito. Oh, grabe yung perfume. We have Urban Decay. Ayan. This is my concealer. Ito yung mga Bare Minerals na lip gloss. Oh my god. Sobrang ganda nila. I super love the shade. Ito. Oh, yan. The shade. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda niya. Grabe. Ang dami kumakain dito sa labas. Tapos sobrang init. Well, yan naman yung gusto nila.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nandito kami ngayon sa CAUSEMETICS Square. Ayan. I don't know if sakto. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. I think totoong tao yan. Hindi lang siya gumagalaw. But yeah, ito siya. Yung CAUSEMETICS Square. Wait lang. Nasaan yung pamilya ko? Ayan. Naggutom ako dun sa CAUSEMETICS Square. Ang bango ng mga food doon. Hey guys, we're finally back here sa port. Sobrang layo ang nilakad namin. As in, sobrang layo. Sabi kasi na 10 to 15 minutes lang. Pero sobrang layo guys. 10 to 15 minutes fast walk yun. Eh, hindi naman tayo sanay maglakad mga Pinoy. Sakit ng legs ko. Sobra. But anyway, we'll see you guys on my next vlog. And that would be in Portugal. So, thank you so much for watching this video guys. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on my next video. Bye guys! Mwah!